Honorable, you say, before I can say to bring that 8-year jinx now, I say, NPP 8 years no, then this is Swaba no, 8 years no. Before say NPP, Baumiana, a bit to be demo across the way, you so say, and Chairman Tank, Alan Cash, a bit to be demo up. One as a member of NPP. One also could say to me a day across the side, we say 8 years.
Said okay, I will say a bit she said Dr. Baumia, the between Diaco, this is Honorable Alan Cash, the between Diaco. This graph is Honorable Jogati between Diaco. This graph is Benaya, Miami between Diaco. And I didn't say Miana. Well, the bottom line is the Yamipe. Okay. So, it's in line with MPP tradition. You don't call delegates conference.
Right.
You call na baby a party delegates. No. Ebeto abana kubia. It behoves on whoever wins to bring party folks together behind him. So the bear you bet me abaku winning. Your friend is saying 2024. Because here now it's not so much about the individual now we really know. It's about the party.
Okay.
See, to me strengthen the party no ankasana. Individual now would deal him. Ankasa difference I will make. And people bring them 10%.
So you agree that certainly there are factions within
of course,
the party?
Of course.
Right.
And yes, if you are no MPP. It has been like that from UP time. They are Dankwa, Buzia, Dombone, whatever. But yeah, it is an organ. It's a fact that your black keys and your white keys. It is when you blend the black keys and the white keys, you get beautiful. Exactly. And yes, you have to say about those factions. In the modern days, we have the Kufuor faction and then the Nado faction. I follow the old traditions, and I go on. Until now, it continues. Whoever wins, like the other faction, to me, we need elections were made. Until we now, it's a matter of making sure, say, about to be a Korea, Nobelusu, Yana Yodi Kakra, Eba, on in the supporters. Until also be show leadership.
Right.
They will lose no show leadership by compromising. Say yes, even though I lose, but I'm ready to work with these people. And I also are winning, so no, more because only the walk fight against NDC.
Right.
See, or rather be a NDC. Only the walk. Until now, say first, we are the housekeeping, making sure say all fashion that the piano, you bring everybody on board, you make everybody feel comfortable. Now we show leadership, and that way. It means now in my panswa the current administration and then another. So you combine these two now, it should be easy for us to break the 8.
Right. What the amount some now we are former MP for Upper Dentra West.
Yes. First now Upper Dentra. Yes, pretty to Namko Upper Dentra West.
Right. Do you have any plans of going back to?
Immediately, then the plan is to go for the regional chairmanship.
Right. Why the regional?
Central region. Because we could win the central region, because we use a central region, your fortunes as a party, above from Kakra.
Okay.
Above from Kakra. Into a new direction, a new leadership, be a unifier, be a which me bring all the little divisions now about region. Which me bring everybody to the center. Ya koso kono the way a TCC no ya na ya lose your grip completely on central region NDC for. And Kremwa so I believe say I have what it takes to bring the entire region together. So because we are from experience that we can have won 4 elections. In parliament I became member of leadership, deputy chief whip. So it's egos. Managing egos. And not give us a day. I mean, as a deputy whip, managing their goals in parliament. That is where all these big boys are. Can you imagine, sir? Maybe you have to go and whip people who are now cabinet ministers and go and whip this person. You have to bring him to the meeting. So how do you do all these things? Okay, the days are with team were coming up by Reggie Homer and I am some of the strong seats like maybe CTC. Under what circumstance should MPP lose upper the Jawa seat to NDC? And so petty talk could be at things we can resolve over a cup of tea. Because leadership antique any painting in and as I show direction, at the end of the day, party in the sofa by way of returns are in the name of CCA win or central. But say we show leadership direction. And you to me CC you feel all kinds of things you make it recognition, making sure say Obia is recognized, Obia ni due kakra, Bia no say recognition kakra no say yeah ni sa nyuma yeah. You sure say it should have been easy for us to win about 90% of the seats in Central Region than say rather you lose seats.
Okay. Right. Mijini say also when the news HD, what is a Serbian president Albo Nando Abasopa? On one to was say among the world leadership, Nando is one of the wisest in your own opinion. And how would you rate Akufo-Addo's government?
Oh no. I said okay, the mix of honors among the world leaders. Nanyamwa said Serbia, commended Ghanaian president so wise. Yeah. Because he's from Ghana to begin with. Among the community of nations, it's a fact. They say we are so poor in developing countries. Something is missing. How's he finding? Maybe Ghana for and we are so.
Yeah.
I've traveled all over. Maybe I know Musa Ghana, they respect, yes, Akrebio, Ewayahu. India Mwanwa said the number one within the country. So to say football, I could be on Nimbo bar, captain or that team in so and you're not born in Boba. Sanity. If you have a president of a country, the average person is wiser, you shouldn't be surprised. Of course, and you recognize that he's a very wise man. And Nana at Parliament kakra, Sana obedi president and all this so kakra. Yes, it's true. He's a wise man, very focused man, And the Numa I'll buy so what done the visions. And how I'll go about it, implementing it. We are COVID balance. Just 2-3 leaders are. It will manage your countries well. Again, Ghana didn't go PM. So it tells you of the kind of leader you are currently. Say, I think outside the box. That is what others are missing. When they come what everyday thing will be the basana, people don't see the difference, the uniqueness in you. But when another your buy number of things are being able to think outside the box, namely one village, one dam, one district, one factory, free education, the almighty free education, planting for food and jobs, all kinds of things be the way of our packaging and your man. Umbeka just said there's no new thing here in the world. But yes, at the end may be there, but they will be packaged. And never mind the panel. Are you unique? Excuse me, the same ingredients may be there. Tomatoes will be there, the pepper will be there, the fish, the meat, the whatever beer will be there. And so more than one biryani now will be dear to me at the chill. Besides the taste in the crown, sometimes decoration. Garnishing. Sometimes Dokuni Mukoya will be Baban who between the Wayum Sana Mokuno, the good Dokuni chance. The same Mokuno Busuba tomatoes who were picture our slices, not the fish yatun, Washisha, tomatoes, the onions, no, everyone. When you boss were not so crowd or Serbian. Meanwhile, in terms of ingredients, they're the same thing, and we do buy what chin, so our dear good. Oh no. That is what sometimes makes the difference.
Right.
To make say, oh, now say we be about your factory, we say we no. How has he packaged on only the no? Emma, besides packaging, are we getting the results? Is it making the impact? Yes, evidence no. But results, we see those again, so that we can near mind to the future. They want results immediately. Yeah, I mean, kind of Sakawa mentality. Or per resource, I mean, it takes time. Some of these things will take time. At the same time, you know about after through. Not once you know, no, the free man go out or mount. No, it's not possible. Same post of our your flu now to begin with, it takes some time and some of a flu. Offer flu, you and your grand 7 months, you'll say 80. So, how do you expect to say? Or mount about within 4 months or 5 months? It is some of these factories, sanity. And then ABR started with just 1 employee or 2 employees. By the next 4, 5, 6 years, expansion in Bemuno. Now, if any more, they create more jobs. Now, the value chain, now, will pin up. Now, it comes with, apart from expansion, if any more, revenues, taxes are banned because company it grow, they make it more profitable. Advance taxes, obey film honor, and also the cost of advance more taxes. So I tax even ODB to issue or classy, even ODBC, that is how some of this is, ever. But so one young question is a free as a Jesse. Look, and Crano, we are secondary 3 years now or school. I'll be our man with his pass over now also. So, but by the next 10 years, 20 years, when we have all this elite class, our society now, when I'm fast one, you be who ye. But what they call Yanum, and this free home on the physical structures and one official development. Mamma, just one simple example.